You all know my first-gen Cadillac Seville. It's my pride and joy. But lately, I've been wanting to bring that classic 70s luxury into the living room. So I decided to shrink it down and make it electric. Today I'm showing you how I turned my full-size Caddy into a high-performance 3D printed slot car. This wasn't just a download and print job. I spent countless hours designing, printing, modifying and reprinting a 3D model of the 75 to 79 Seville to make it race ready. The goal was perfection. It wasn't about getting those iconic boxy lines and chrome style trim just right. It was about getting it perfect and practical, like the front bumper, which just slides into the body and fits the LED lights and even lenses. I know it is a facelift bumper, but that didn't bother me at all. I love all kinds of the first-gen Seville. The only thing not perfect yet is the rear bumper. That has to be glued onto the body and the rear lenses are not 100% too. They don't wrap around the corner yet. I just made a press fit here too, like the front lenses. But with the lights on, you can see that the sidewall of the body is so thin that the light emits from here too. So it kinda looks like it wraps around the body. The color. This was the toughest part. I spent a long time searching for the right filament to get it almost 100% identical to my real Seville sitting in the garage. It's difficult to see all the real color from pictures on websites of online sellers. So I took a chance and just ordered a filament that could fit. And guess what? It didn't. It looked good and kind of Innsbruck blue poly, but not like mine, Commodore blue poly. So the search continued and I found one that could finally be the right color. I printed the first part and it came out perfectly. It was a long, steep learning curve, but seeing the body come off the printer for the final time made it all worth it. Of course, looking good is only half the battle. We took the Seville to a huge Carrera slot car track for a full-blown race day with my family. It was part of my dad's birthday weekend my brother and I planned, because he is a full-blown Carrera slot car enthusiast. The competition was tough, but the results? Let's just say American luxury has some hidden speed. Not only did it handle the corners like a dream, but my custom Seville ended up being the fastest car on the track. That classic silhouette isn't very aerodynamic, and resizing it to a 1:32 scale doesn't change a thing, but the joy of driving a custom slot car was out of this world. The project was a massive learning experience. I combined my love for CAD design, 3D printing and of course classic Cadillac Sevilles. But most importantly, it was about having a blast with the family. It just goes to show, with a bit of patience and a 3D printer, you can take your favorite car from the driveway to the slot car racetrack. What do you think of my Cadillac Seville slot car? Do you like it? Write it in the comments down below. I'd love to read your reactions to that. Thanks for watching, thanks for being part of my channel, thanks for the support and take care, drive safe. See you soon.